Hi, I'm Jill Maria and I'm a makeup artist and stylist at Salon 27. Today I'm going to show you how to repair color damaged hair. As you can see, she has some damage here from color and over-processing. And what we're going to do is we're going to saturate it with a water bottle. You can do that or you can shampoo it, whichever you choose. Okay. We're just going to saturate it with this water. You want it pretty wet. Okay, and then you want to take the Keratin Treatment and you want to work it through the hair. You're going to take your fingers and work it from the roots to the ends. Paying close attention to the pieces that look like they are over-processed. You can massage it into the scalp. Okay. And then you would place her under the dryer for about 15 minutes, and then you would rinse it out, and then style as usual. That's how you repair color damaged hair. I'm Jill Maria with Salon 27.